Nag-try ka bang mag-book ng appointment or mag-schedule ng appointment from the Department of Foreign Affairs official website? Kaso, hindi nag-go through yung transaction kasi may mga na-encounter kang mga problema. Una, possible naka-encounter ka ng error messages. Pangalawa, nung nasa payment option ka na, hindi siya nag-go through. Pangatlo, hindi siya nag-proceed sa payment option. So yung ginawa mo, inulit mo yung proseso, nilagay mo ulit yung buong detalye mo, buong pangalan, yung address, and all the details. Kaso, later on, nag-prompt yung website na there is already an existing schedule under the name. Actually, lahat ng ito na-experience ko. And let me share with you the effective ways on how we are going to fix the problem. Unang-una, nais ko pong ipaalam sa lahat na nagmamatter po yung klase ng device na gamit natin sa pagbubook ng schedule. In my case po, yung ginamit ko po is yung phone ko sa pagbook ng appointment. However, I encountered those 3 problems that I shared earlier. So, I tried to find solution. Ginamit ko yung phone ng husband ko. However, I experienced the same thing with his phone. At the time, sabi ko sa sarili ko, baka may error sa system ng DFA kasi sa sobrang dami ng tao na gustong mag-book ng slot. Kasi usually kasi, nag-open ng slot ang DFA at the end of the month or first week of the month. Kaya siguro maraming tao ang gumagamit ng website. So I was thinking that time, baka may error lang. So we always receive the same error na there is an existing appointment under the name. Kasi when we try to redo the process just to get an appointment, pero yun, same error or same message na lang yung nare-receive namin. So yung ginawa ko, I tried to search for helpful videos and tips from other vloggers or other persons uploading their videos online, most especially from YouTube, yung mga naka-experience ng similar issues. May napanood ako na video ng isang babae. I forgot the channel. At nag-share siya ng experience. We experienced the same thing. Naka-experience siya ng similar situation sa amin. So, yung ginawa niya is, gumamit siya ng phone and then hindi nag-go through sa phone, gumamit siya ng computer. Paggagamit na yung computer, same thing pa rin. She encountered the same problem. So, yung ginawa niya, gumamit siya ng she used another computer. And for the third time na nag-try siya mag-book gamit yung third device, yung second computer niya, nag-go through na yung transaction. So I was thinking in my case, okay, so let me try booking a slot from my laptop. So ginamit ko yung laptop ko. However, unfortunately, I still encountered the same thing. So I was like, I became very hopeless. Is there a way to fix it? Kasi there's, in DFA, they do not allow in-person or walk-in transactions. Until such time, bigla ko lang na-realize what browser I was using. I was using Google Chrome. And may isang browser ako sa laptop na Microsoft Edge. So I was like, sige, baka may problema ang browser or something. So let me try Microsoft Edge. And fortunately, nung nag-try na ako ng Microsoft Edge, everything went well smoothly. So, nag-book ako ng appointment, 4 na appointment yung na-book ko immediately on that day na naggamit ako ng Microsoft Edge. So, sa akin, sa husband ko, at sa 2 anak ko. And then, the good thing is, everything was really smooth. I received email confirmations for the payment kasi ginamit ko is GCash to pay the transaction. And at the same time, confirmation email for the said appointment itself. So, I hope para sa mga tao na naka-experience ng similar problem na na-encounter namin, I hope this video can help you. So if it will not go through using the Google Chrome, kasi Chrome din yung gamit sa phone, so Chrome din sa laptop, if it will not go through, try po Microsoft Edge or probably try Mozilla, Internet Explorer, and other browsers. And hopefully, mag-go through din siya katulad ng nangyari sa amin. So thank you so much po for watching this video.